Sir,
हाँ,
sir, a force uh, is a push or pull on an object which can change its speed and it can slow down or change direction and shape.
एनी पुश और पुल इतना बहुत है समझने के लिए. एक्सपीरियंस्ड बाय एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड एज फोर्स. ठीक है.
So the chapter is forces.
यस, चैप्टर इज फोर्सेस. अब बोलता है कि हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्सेस आर देयर. तो बेस्ड ऑन so there are two different types of forces: contact forces. उस कांटेक्ट के पहले लिखो फील्ड फोर्सेस. फील्ड फोर्स. तो एन ऑब्जेक्ट experience a force when it enters into a field. हाँ, बोलो कविशा. So an object experience a force when it enters into a field. So examples of field forces are field, इसको लिख लो, generated by some other object, particle. ठीक है. ऑब्जेक्ट और पार्टिकल. एग्जाम्पल्स क्या है फील्ड फोर्सेस के? एग्जाम्पल्स आर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. ठीक है. देन देयर इज दिस electrostatic force. This is the force between the charges, right? Then there is this nuclear force, force between the nucleons. ठीक है. तो gravitational force is a long range force. It has a long range. मतलब Earth can apply force on sun, sun can apply force on Earth, like that. Magnetic force is a medium range force. हाँ आरव बोलो.
So, what is nuclear force?
Force between the nucleons, that is proton, proton, neutron, neutron, like that.
Okay.
Force between the objects, force between the nucleons which are inside the nucleus. Nucleus is a very small range. It's 10 to the power minus 15 meter.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
हाँ.
sir.
Electrostatic force is a short range force. And nuclear force is very, very short range forces. ठीक है. So, how is gravitational force given? Okay. Hmm, चलो पढ़ ही लेते हैं इसको भी. नहीं, इसको मैं राइट इट ऑन द राइट साइड. अभी के लिए कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स. कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स क्या होता है? इट्स अ फोर्स experienced by an object when it is in contact with another object. It's a force experienced by an object when it is in contact with another object. ठीक है. I hope all of you are able to absorb this information. So, contact force, the very first contact force which we deal with is reaction force. Is because of the interatomic bonding between the atoms or molecules of the surfaces of the objects in contact, and also because of the interlocking of the uneven surfaces. ठीक है. It has two components. First one is normal reaction. This is perpendicular to the contact surface. Second is friction. This is parallel to the contact surface. अभी देखेंगे, सब समझ में आएगा. डोंट वरी. तो field force, contact force and reaction force. ठीक है. Normal reaction and friction.
So reaction force comes under contact force, right?
Yes. ठीक है. ऐसा है. तो let's see gravitational force. Please don't write. Pay attention. Pay attention. और इसको क्या हो गया भाई? तो फील्ड फोर्स क्या करता है? Gravitational force. First example is gravitation. How is it given? it is given as when two objects are separated by some distance r. This is m1, this is m2, this is r. The force acting on object 2 because of object 1 will be an attractive force. This is force F2 1, force on 2 because of 1. This is force on 1 because of 2. So, the magnitude of these forces are equal. And this is, let's write it as F. It is proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So capital F is the proportionality constant happens to be capital G, and this is Gm1 m2 by r, right? It is an attractive force. So this is minus r cap. Now, what is this r cap? I'll explain this to you first. Pay attention, honestly. भाई ध्यान से सुनना है. If this is an object, then the radial outward direction, ठीक है, is considered positive. We are now using one new unit vector, which is called as radial unit vector, right? Radial unit vector is directed away from the center and radially outwards. So it has different directions. So all these are representing the radial unit vectors. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
is
sir.
it is positive in a direction away from the radius. Sorry, away from the center and radially outwards. Okay, please remember this. This is ER. So this is radial unit vector. Now, if I don't want to write this in unit vector every time, I can write r vector upon r. This is r cap. This is also radial unit vector. Because this I will be introducing in circular motion. तो वहां पे tangential unit vector भी आता है. This unit vector, अभी के लिए if you want to write, you can write it like this. Radial unit vector. Again, the same attributes. It has the same attributes. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this is the case. अच्छा, इसमें एक सेकंड, my bad. This is positive is radially outward. So since the forces are acting towards the center, that's why this is minus r. The value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. I hope. ये कहाँ से आया? ये एक्सपेरिमेंट से आता है, कैलकुलेशन से आता है. ठीक है. This term is called as universal gravitational constant. लिखिए इसको, ऑल ऑफ यू राइट इट.
Sir, can you explain what F12 and F21 are?
F12 is force on object 1 because of object 2. This is force on 1 because of 2. And this will be force on 2 because of 1.
Okay, sir, I get it.
Hmm. If you have noted it, type down in the comment window, please. All of you noted it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
लिखो लिखो.
Sir, in the gravity formula, what is the N?
हाँ भाई बच्चों, हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
So I'm just writing the gravitational force का formula and all.
जल्दी जल्दी लिखो भाई, जल्दी लिखो, इतना टाइम मत लगाओ यार।
Sir, in the
इसमें दिमाग।
formula, what does the N stand for?
वेयर इज एन?
Sir, G equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power 11 N minus M square.
न्यूटन, न्यूटन, न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर किलोग्राम।
Okay, sir.
संचित, you are not aware about SI unit of force?
No, sir, I
Oh,
didn't think of it right now.
नहीं नहीं, you are aware or not? Didn't click you at this? वो तो ठीक है,
Sir, I'm
but you
somewhat
are aware.
aware, sir.
Okay,
I haven't revised in a while.
no. Rest of you done, completed. Jiyashini done, Ridhima done, Sanchit done.
Sir, wait.
Rest of you. वो कहाँ है? ऋग्वेद कहाँ है? हमारा ऋग्वेद हीरो कहाँ है? आज
Sir,
आया है कि
here.
नहीं? ऋग्वेद है क्लास में?
Yes.
अच्छा, ओम कहाँ है? ओम, ओम है?
Yes, sir, I'm
हरिहरन,
here.
why your camera is switched off, Hariharan?
Sir,
Not on, sir.
sir, done.
Mm-hmm. So, so I give you one question to solve. Just a second, हाँ? एक मिनट, उसके पहले let's see electrostatic force also. अच्छा, note this also. All of you note it.
सर इसको लिखना है?
नहीं तो क्या देखना है? लिखना है बेटा, याद नहीं रहेगा तुमको। Done with this, right? So similarly, this electrostatic force. What's this electrostatic force? Electrostatics मतलब when the charges are at rest. right? I'll give you an insight about electrostatic and gravitational force. So these are the two charges. The charges are Q1 and Q2, right? The charges are Q1 and Q2, and the distance between the two charges is R. Now, the force is proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the charges, right? This is the magnitude of the force. So F is equal to, now this proportionality constant is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Now I am writing it here R cap. So now what was this R cap? This was for Q1, R cap will be this direction away from it, right? For Q1, R cap will be this direction. For Q2, R2 will be this direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Radially outwards. So this is the positive direction of Q1 and sorry of R vector for Q1 and Q2, R cap. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Sir, could you once again explain
sir.
the part about F vector is equal to 1 upon 4?
Sorry?
Sir, like next to the diagram, you've written F vector is equal to 1 upon 4 pi.
This is the proportionality constant. This is this entire thing is the proportionality constant. Got it?
Okay, sir, got it.
Huh. Now, what is this epsilon naught? Epsilon naught is called as permittivity of vacuum. ठीक है? Its value is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. And this is Coulomb square upon Newton meter square.
So, what is meant by permittivity of
अभी 2 मिनट रुको अभी I'll tell. This is 9 into 10 to the power 9. This entire value can be approximated as 9 into 10 to the power 9.
Sir, or else K, Q and Q2 by R square.
है? What? Repeat. Hello? Hello? अरे
Yes,
कौन
sir.
था ये? कौन था ये जिसने बीच में भी कुछ बोला था?
हरिहरन.
हरिहरन, what happened? गायब हो गया. No हरिहरन. चल. Now, see what is permittivity. See, all this, though I am introducing this to you at this point in time, but this is all 11th standard stuff, 12th standard stuff. So we are just understanding the definition part of it, right? So what is permittivity of vacuum? Permittivity of vacuum gives us a measure of the number of electric field lines which a medium allows to pass through it. So permittivity of vacuum is the measure of is the measure of the number of field lines, measure of the number of field lines which a medium allows to pass through it. Now, what is this? All of you are aware that positive charges, like charges repel, unlike charges attract. All of you have heard of this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
So, नहीं सुना नहीं है like charges repel each other, unlike
Yes, sir.
charges
Yes.
attract each
Yes,
Yes,
other.
sir.
ये
sir.
नो
Yes.
कैसे
Yes.
बोला तुमने? आरव जैन, ये नो कैसे था? ये बताओ भाई, 9th स्टैंडर्ड में 8th स्टैंडर्ड में तुमको ये नहीं पता है? साइंस का विद्यार्थी है तुम,
Sir,
है
I
बाबू?
just got confused for a second.
अरे नहीं, कंफ्यूजन क्यों चाहिए भाई तुमको लाइफ में?
Okay.
चलो एनीवेज, तो what happens is, suppose this is a positive. So the field lines, the electric field lines will emerge out of it in radial direction. Positive charge से the field lines emit radially outwards. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
चलो, तो इसके बाद अगर if this is negative charge, if this is negative charge, then what happens? See, I'll not teach you much in this because again, ये topic हमें सिर्फ I am interested only in formula. You should be aware about the formula. So that's why I am teaching you this. ये तो तुमने पूछा है तो I'll tell you. So the field lines because of negative charges are directed towards it. Okay. Now, if you compare, suppose karo these are the number of field lines of this charge. So now if you compare the intensity of field because of these two charges at a point very close to it. So if you compare the intensity of field near to the charges, ठीक है, तो this positive charge, the field because of the positive charge will be less than the field because of negative charge. Why? Because number of field lines of negative charge are more near to the surface than the positive charge. Yes or no? I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
है ना? So now when the medium changes, the permittivity changes. Suppose this medium becomes, this was in vacuum. Suppose this medium becomes water. The permittivity will change. Suppose it becomes a conductor. The permittivity changes. I hope all of you got this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So that is what is meant by permittivity of vacuum. इतना ही जानो अभी, ठीक है? इससे ज्यादा नहीं जानो. Unit of charge, SI unit of charge.
Sir, can you write the name of that sign?
ये
Yes, sir.
epsilon. SI unit of charge is coulomb. कैपिटल C से डिनोट करते हैं, राइट? Not is because of this, huh? Because of this zero beneath it. So तुम लोग एक बात बताओ, ये अब मुझे ध्यान आ रहा है, क्यों ऐसा लगा मुझे कि मैंने पर्पजली छोड़ा था, अभी मुझे याद करना पड़ेगा. All of you tell me, didn't we, did we do this? Chapter units and dimensions. Did we do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कर लिया ना तुम लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बच गया। मैं तो सोच ही रहा था ये कैसे नहीं हुआ अभी तक करके, तो दिमाग में ही नहीं चाहूंगा। तो अबे, तो यूनिट्स एंड डायमेंशंस में तो तुम लोगों ने ये सब किया होगा।
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
नहीं किया है क्या?
No.
Sir.
No,
ओ, चार्ज वार्ज नहीं पढ़ा उसमें? करंट तो पढ़ा ना? यू लर्न अबाउट करंट आई है। लिखो
Yes,
इसको
sir.
अच्छा। अरे तुम लोग झूठ बोलते हो फिर, तुम लोग पढ़ाई लिखाई क्यों नहीं किया फिर ठीक से? चलो, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स लिखो इसको, नोट इट ऑल ऑफ यू।
And I was away when you were telling, sir. What is Q1 and Q2 denote?
चार्जेस।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, लिखो।
So, what is that after 4 pi?
अरे, आई हैव रिटन द नेम आल्सो, एप्सिलॉन लिखा है ना, देखो।
हाँ.
तो
Oh,
वही है।
okay.
So the permittivity value tells us how strong the electric fields will be between the charges in a vacuum.
यस। हाँ भाई, noted or not, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So now, so this was about electrostatic force. So two field forces we have discussed, gravitational and electrostatic force. Nuclear के लिए I'll give you the theory. You need to learn from the theory only. Let's discuss this contact force.
Sir, could you show?
What happened?
Nothing, sir.
Still writing?
No, sir, I don't.
Uh, So now let's discuss contact force. Contact forces में we are discussing reaction force. Hmm. Now pay attention, all of you. This is a block, right? Now, if you see under the microscope, the bottom surface of the block will look like this, rough. Okay. Now, this is the surface on which the block is kept. Now, again, under the microscope, you can see that they are actually, the rough surfaces are interlocking. Okay, all of you. Now, because of interlocking, and there is also a bonding developed between the atoms of the blue surface, the block, and the ground, or and the surface, whatever surface it is, whether it is ground or not. So these are the two direct reasons because of which the ground, that is the black surface, will apply a force on the block, and the block will apply a force on the ground. Right. Now, what is the direction of this force? So let's say this is the direction of the force exerted by the ground. So what is ground here? This black surface is ground. And this blue one is the block. This is the reaction force. This is the reaction. Capital R से denote करते हैं. Now, these are the X and Y axis. Okay. The angle which this reaction force makes with the vertical, this angle, this is called as angle of friction. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
And this green color vector is the component of this vector R along the direction of vertical. So this is called as normal reaction. Normal reaction is always perpendicular to the contact surface. Where is the contact surface here, all of you? Where is the contact surface here? This is the contact surface, right?
Yes.
It will,
Yes, sir.
the normal reaction will always be perpendicular to this contact surface. Now the next one will be the horizontal component of reaction, this orange vector. This is friction, small f, right? We will, there is an entire chapter. You can please mute yourself if you're on If there is some background noise, I am muting all of you. You can unmute yourself while speaking. So we have a complete chapter on friction, which we will do after laws of motion, right? But in this chapter, we are interested only in this force, which is normal reaction. Okay? We are not interested in any other force, any force other than normal reaction in contact force. Every surface in this chapter will be smooth. There is no friction. So when there is no friction, there is no horizontal component. So whatever force is there, it is along the normal only. So that becomes normal reaction. Got it? यहाँ पे लिख भी सकते हो तुम. Reaction force converts to normal reaction if there is no friction between the surfaces in contact. समझ आया? All of you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Please make notes. I hope all of you have noted it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, wait, sir.
Please start preparing for your kinematics test, right? I'll be taking multiple tests, so you have to be prepared for it. This time, the Sunday's paper was pretty easy, so there will be regular tests from now onwards because it's necessary. Okay. And yesterday only I have told you that you guys are not sincerely revising the content. तो भाई रिवाइज तो करना पड़ेगा ना. You have to revise. Revision is there only when you will have test. करमन सिंह गिल नहीं आया है क्या आज? All of you noted it or not? चलो. तो
Yes, sir.
this is the chapter which we have started learning today. ठीक है? Introduction. So please read the chapter. Read the chapter. Okay. Whatever you are able to understand it, just go through it. You will be able to understand it and do the worked out examples and exercises. ठीक है? Try doing the worked out examples and the exercises. You can use your calculator to do the calculation because they will be bigger calculations. So you can use your calculator. You should refrain from it though. But if you are finding it difficult to calculate, you can use your calculators. Got it? Everybody. शुभादित्य.
यस
ठीक है. कोई डाउट है किसी को कुछ पूछना है? प्लीज स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर योर काइनेमैटिक्स टेस्ट. ठीक है. And when did I say that we'll be doing the doubts of kinematics?
So you didn't tell us this.
नहीं. Next Wednesday. Next Wednesday we will do the doubts of kinematics. Okay? And after
Yes,
that you
sir.
have to take the test. चलो. Bye बेटा. Good night. ऋग्वेद.
Bye, sir.
ऋग्वेद
Thank you,
समझ
sir.
आ रहा है?
Again.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
ऋग्वेद समझ आ रहा है तुमको कि नहीं आ रहा है?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Tanushree,
Yes, sir.
you are able to understand the topics or not?
Yes, sir. I am.
Okay. Okay. हर्षिता,
Yes, sir.
कुछ समझ आ रहा है बेटा?
हाँ सर,
सब
समझ आ रहा है.
बहुत ऊपर से जा रहा है, ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं सर, बिल्कुल नहीं.
ठीक है. Yes, Jiyashini, you were saying something.
sir, could you please enable the test again? I wasn't able to take it in.
I'll do something for it. Don't worry. I'll tell you. चलो. त्रिपाठी जी, सब ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
अहमदाबाद में है ना? सर्दी नहीं आई है अहमदाबाद में भी क्या?
है तो सर.
है. हमारे देश में नहीं पड़ रही भाई, हमारे गांव में नहीं पड़ रही. एसी चल रहा है यार, बाप रे बाप। गुरुदीप, योर प्लेस देर इज नो विंटर्स?
Sir, it's somewhat cold, up to 23
यू आर
degrees.
फ्रॉम मदुराई, राइट?
Yes, sir.
इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल सिटी मदुराई। कभी जाओ तो इसको, इसका नंबर लेना, ये मिलना, इस बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है ना गुरुदीप? योर सिटी इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सिटी।
Yes, sir.
वैसे तो अहमदाबाद भी अच्छा शहर। कविश शाह, तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
सर मोड़ा सा।
मोडासा। ये अहमदाबाद से 100 किलोमीटर दूर है ना?
यस सर।
हम्म। और अविका मेहता रहती है देहरादून में।
नो सर, मैं सहारनपुर में रहती हूँ।
सहारनपुर में, उत्तर प्रदेश।
यस सर।
सहारनपुर भी तो सुंदर जगह है। पेपर मिल है ना वहाँ पे, पेपर एंड पल्प इंजीनियरिंग होती है
सर
वहाँ।
बहुत ज्यादा स्मेल आती है वहां से, मेरे को तो पसंद नहीं।
हाँ हाँ। रुड़की, रुड़की का एक ब्रांच वहाँ पे है। रुड़की में जो ब्रांच है पेपर एंड पल्प इंजीनियरिंग, वो वहीं है। चलो बहुत बढ़िया। एनीवेज, तो प्लीज आप लोग पढ़ाई करिए, मेहनत करिए। और अब देखो, रिवीजन इज द की। पढ़ाना, पढ़ने से कुछ नहीं होता है, यू हैव टू कीप ऑन रिवाइजिंग। yesterday only I told you that you have to just go through the pages at least. ठीक है? चलो बाय, टेक केयर, गुड नाइट।